Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the menu that hides developer controls. Go to Settings, About Phone, then tap Build number 7 times. When asked, enter your PIN. Once done, Developer Options appears under System or Additional Settings. Make sure your battery is above 50% and you've backed up important data. You do this because developer features can change device behavior. So secure the phone with a PIN or pattern to allow safe authorization of USB debugging and related tools. Next, open Developer Options and enable USB debugging. You'll see a confirmation. Allow it so your computer can communicate with the phone. If you intend to unlock the bootloader, enable OEM unlocking, read the warning and confirm because it factory resets the device. Then connect via USB and install ADB platform tools or drivers on your PC. Once connected, run a DB devices to confirm authorization. You do this to get shell access, fast boot control, and to transfer low-level commands safely. To finish, use developer options to tweak animation scale, limit background processes, or enable stay awake while charging for testing. These speed up debugging and reveal performance issues. If you're flashing or unlocking, use a DB reboot bootloader and fastboot commands only after device shows as authorized. If something goes wrong, like ADB not recognizing the phone, reinstall USB drivers, switch the USB mode to file transfer, try another cable or USB port, and revoke USB debugging authorizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.